Hello everyone! In today's video tutorial, we will guide you through how to hide Instagram following. So, let's dive right in. While Instagram doesn't offer a direct way to completely shroud your following list, there is a clever workaround to limit who can see it. Launch the Instagram app and tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to navigate to your profile. From your profile page, look to the top right corner. There, you'll find the familiar hamburger menu icon, 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Tap this menu icon to open a list of options for managing your account. Here, you'll find controls related to your account's visibility and the data you share. Under the Privacy section, look for the Account Privacy setting. This setting controls whether your profile is public or private. By default, most Instagram accounts are public, meaning anyone can see your posts and even browse the list of accounts you follow. To hide your following list, locate the toggle switch labeled Private Account within the Account Privacy setting. Slide the toggle switch to the right. You'll likely see a confirmation message pop up, asking you to confirm your decision to make your account private. Tap Switch to Private to confirm. That's it. Now you know how to hide your following on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.